was like this.
Yeah, guys, welcome to Mystery Sunday. Sorry, you guys are seeing the ground.
Bottle flip time. Oh, that was close.
I'm with Anna and Jalen. We're here telling a story about a dead bird.
Dang it.
This is a true story.
Bottle flip time.
I can never lie to you fans. Ever.
Oh, I made it. I made the bottle flip.
Cool.
I made it.
So, guys,
How far can we go?
so Jalen was riding her bike like a normal child, and then she just got so close to a bird, and it was just sitting there, and she looks over and she sees a bird, and it was just sitting there, and she was so close. She was going to pet it, and then she realized that birds have rabies, so she didn't pet it, and then it flew up on the fence right there, and then it like turned its body like and fell and dropped. It was a red-headed woodpecker, by the way, and it fell, and then Jalen's mom, or not mom, but grandma came over, and we took care of it, and then Nikolai and his mom came over, and they came and took care. And since Nikolai's mom used to be a thing, Pizza's here! But since Nikolai's mom used to be a thing, a vet or something, she knows a lot about animals. Yeah, we're walking away from the area because we got pizza. But you guys, it's pizza! But, and it's like...
And guess who was at the house delivering it? Tina.
Cool! Guys, our aunt delivered the pizza. We can eat outside, guys. Well, and then she called animal control or something, and they took care of her. Here's something that we didn't tell you about yet. We're inside right now, but we got pizza. But
Yeah, we got pizza.
yeah, nobody wants to eat outside. And then we.
Mila,
And then
you want to eat outside?
Yeah, I do actually. Okay, well, guys.
Jalen, me and Mila want to eat outside.
We're going to. Where's Nick? I'm trying to find
He's outside,
He's
I think.
outside with his mom.
Yeah, and we.
He's in the
Grab the
front.
garlic. Where did it go?
Right here.
I dropped the garlic to the pizza.
Okay. Whoa.
Move!
Let's go.
I'm carrying
Okay,
the
guys, we're
food.
back outside. Apparently, we're eating outside too.
Yeah, we're eating outside.
Somebody go get Nick.
That's fine. We'll get him.
No, you all need to get him one. I'm making where the pizza is.
Guys, pizza! Pizza! Oh, by the
Pizza! My grandma ordered us pizza.
by the way, I'm filming. By the way, I'm filming. No, we're filming right now, though.
You're putting this on you. Are you coming up? Huh? So,
I'll be kind of mad, but
Are you gonna stay?
no.
well,
Sure you don't want no pizza?
like the bird,
Here, Anna.
like
Anna,
the bird, like,
you need to have your stuff.
and then the bird, like jumped off. Like this is like around like the time before it came, and the people came, but like, but the
Who wants ranch?
for what?
Pizza.
I want both.
You want both?
Mhm.
Same.
But
Move your plate, little girl. Who
I
wants
want-
pepperoni?
me, and like they.
Come here, Mila.
Okay. And like but like it like
How many pieces?
what just the second flavor.
It's just cheese. That's for yeah. You want a cheese too?
But yeah. So and then but
How do you freaking close a pizza box?
I don't know.
Jeez!
She's raging right now, guys. She's raging.
I just got Snapple over.
Freaking close a pizza box.
Don't worry about that. Hit the
My
tablet.
tail bloats.
I'm gonna kill Pizza
Sorry,
Hut.
guys.
Move this a little bit. So don't
Shock me. I'm like, what?
spill all of my pizza. But
There we
yeah,
go.
one.
When you
These are my
finally
legs,
close
by
the
the way.
pizza box.
Yes. Oh guys, crap, this is big. But guys, like
I would
the
like cheese.
birds flew off the stick.
I
and
know
then-
what you want.
And just
I
jumped
didn't
on
ask.
to the Jalen
Hey,
and Anna's
guys.
grandma's shirt, and it was funny.
It was literally so funny.
What?
How the bird
oh.
fell off.
and jumped on your guys' grandma.
Anna, bro.
Alright, well.
If you don't
Bye,
watch out,
guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like and surprise. And sorry for not posting on Saturday. I'll make up for that soon.
Mila,
Alright.
here.
Bye.
It has
Bye, you guys.